My name is Joshua Perez. I am a production manager and part of the product development team at Rustico. I'm 35 years old. I'm originally from Southern California. We moved to Utah about 11 years ago. I have a family of 5, my wife and 3 kids. My leatherworking passion definitely comes from my father. I started working with leather when I was about 8 years old. My father used to own a shoe company. He is very passionate about his work. He's very passionate about what he makes. He was actually the first one to train me in, creating stuff in leather. And I remember my father was hard. I mean, when he would train me and when he would teach me, he wouldn't want me to just make stuff. He would want me to actually create something and with good quality and stuff. And when I was creating something and it wasn't good quality, he'd make me start it over again. And so that passion that he has definitely transferred over to me. To me, being an artisan, it means a lot, and specifically because of how long I've been working with leather and how long I've been creating things. I remember just being a little kid and, like I said, looking at my dad, my father, working with his hands and creating stuff. It just looked so satisfactory to him that he'd be able to do that. That I wanted to have that for myself as well. And so, being an artisan to me just gives me a lot of pride. I feel like our fan base and our customers are very unique. They like very unique things, and they like the simplicity of Rustico, but also the uniqueness of it and the functionality of it. So it's actually harder to design something that's functional and it's simple rather than coming up with a very complicated pattern. And so it's a challenge to design something like that. And if I can see one of my products rise towards one of our best sellers, I'd be happy. One of the most rewarding things about the handmade process is definitely being able to take an idea that you have and being able to translate it into an actual product. That's one of the main things that I like about what I do. A lot of the times with the experience that I have and just how long that I've been working and doing what I do, a lot of the sketching process actually happens in my mind, and I pattern as I go with the ideas that I have in my mind, and sometimes I tweak it and I make little changes here and there. Turning that idea into an actual product that you can see, feel, and show to others, and have other people go, wow, that's a really cool piece. I mean, I would think that's the best part about working with my hands. Just looking at people's reactions when they get a piece that I have designed, I feel like that impression, that's me leaving my mark.